it's Chloe Demir, Say the Victor. Well, how's everybody doing today? Amazing, I hope. Today we are in for a little bit of a surprise. We have the Colored Raine mystery box. So this was the mystery box for September. I've never done a mystery box with them before, and I believe it's supposed to have some new products in there. So the only thing I did was cut through the tape, and yeah, it came in this pretty pink box. My label, my address and everything is on the back. Website there, fragile. And let's see what's in this box. I don't have any makeup on today. I was in meetings working on the computer, so I just thought I need makeup to stare into a screen. And then inside we've got the Honey, I'm Home Colored Raine. We got some bubble tape here, and let's see what is inside. All right, now I can't remember if it was 5 to 7 things, 5 things. I think maybe it's 5 things, but we're gonna find out. So the first thing I'm gonna do, because it's a nice bright color, I'm going to pick this up, and this is Colored Raine, paint base, an eyeshadow base. I love me an eyeshadow base. And this is in the shade white. Well, it is a white color. I don't have my glasses on. Maybe I should have grabbed my glasses. That would have been smart. But let's open the box here if we can. Oh, hold on, I have something in here that I can open it up. My trusty letter opener, because I always hate ripping the boxes when you just got them. So let's see if I can get this to open here. Wow, this is in there pretty tightly. Oh, there we go. Oh, I broke it. Well, it's mine. I can break it. It's fine. Here. And sure enough, comes in this beautiful orange tube. It reminds me a little bit kind of the P. Louise with a little thing there. But yeah, it's in a white shade, and that is a perfect, because anybody can use it, because you can make bright looks with it. So I'm very excited to try it, because I've never tried their eye base. I have their glow lighters, which are my favorite. I have their kind of like rainbow palette. I have a few lippies. I think that might be all I have that's Colored Raine. So anyways, I'm very excited to try that. So anyways, there is the paint base for your eyes. Let's see, let's go in the other one because it's almost the same color again. So this is also an orange here. And you know what? I'm going to go get some glasses because I can see nothing. All right. So this is the Colored Raine Just Wing It Felt Tip Eyeliner. Yay! I love eyeliner. I love colored eyeliners. This is great. So yeah, just to quickly double check now that I got glasses on. Yes, it has with squalene and sodium hyaluronate, which is like a hyaluronic acid. Yeah, so I, of course, like I said, ripped it, but I thought it had a color here, but that said white. But anyways, we know it's white. There we go. Oh yeah, this is white. I'm babbling. All right, so we got an eyeliner in the shade blue, and I've never tried any of their eyeliners either before. So this is, oh, I like this. So here we go. We got that. Got the felt tip liner. Oh yeah, she be blue. Ah, so exciting. So far we've got a white eye base and we've got an eyeliner. So we're getting an eye look going. All right, these are identical looking packages. So I wonder if they're both the same or like the same type of product. So this is the Sugar Rose Satin Classic Lipstick. And then this is the Lotus lipstick and is also in the satin. So we've got 2 lip colors. So let's take a look at Sugar Rose. I have a purple and I think a couple neutrals. Oh, I don't have any in this type of packaging. Oh, this is nice. Oh, that's a pretty color. Look at that. Give it a little swipe here. Oh, that is pretty. Ooh, it smells good too. Oh, love it. So that is the Sugar Rose. And then the next one was the Lotus lipstick. And in that same packaging. So it's kind of like clear. And then, oh, that's me. I went and I squished the top of it. So let's just reshape it. That was me. And oh, that's really pretty. I tell you, I'm a walking disaster. So anyway, so I guess maybe that should be the first lipstick I try since I've already bungled up the top. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 items here. So it looks like it was 5 items. I think the 7 items is the Unearthly mystery box that I got coming. And then it looks like we have a palette. So now before I look at the palette, they just released a new blue palette that looked really, really good, kind of like blues and grays. And I was like, if that was in my mystery box, I'd be the happiest camper. So let's see, would that possibly be in my mystery box, or is it something else? Because they said it was something new. So let's take a look. And it is! Yay! Color me excited. I got the Thunder palette. Woohoo, 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 woohoo. I'm excited. So let's open, see, look at this beautiful Thunder. Let's open it up. Oh my gosh, it's even prettier in person. So it has a mirror. It says Colored Raine, and here is the story. Yay! So excited. Yes, because I'd heard they had done that before. I think it was with one of the last releases that had the kind of the greenish palette or green and orange palette. And somebody said that they got it in a mystery box. So, oh yeah, it's like that kind of that holographic. Oh, look at that. Oh, I am so excited. This is awesome. Because when I saw that new release, I was like, oh, I could have ordered the new release instead of the mystery box. Well, it came in the mystery box. Oh, I am so excited. So let's take a look again at this beautiful color story. I am so excited. So it's four shimmery shades on top, and then it's got 8 mattes, and of course they have things like Chance of Rain, Overcast, Thunderstorm, Shock Waves. This is, oh, I'm so excited. This is one of the best mystery boxes I've ever opened. So 5 products. I want to say with shipping and everything, it's about 65 Canadian, somewhere in there. But 5 products. So we've got an eyeshadow base to go with this palette, a liner that'll go with this palette, and then we've got 2 lipsticks, a lighter and a darker. So darker if you want to do a little bit more vampy, and lighter if you want to do a lighter look. So this is pretty perfect for an eye and lip look. I am so excited to play with this. So I think that will be my next video or maybe I'll put these 2 together. Haven't quite decided. But anyways, we'll see. So this will be either a video on its own and the opening of my mystery box. So if it is, I would say thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and maybe even hit that notification bell. It'd be greatly appreciated. If not, that's okay. We can still be friends. We can open mystery boxes together and get the palette that you were really wanting in it. I'm a lucky ducky. And as always, behave, make good choices. That is the cat that I'm watching for a week, Luna, aka Squeaky, and we will talk to you soon. Okay.